Welcome to Major Mixing Educational Series. In this video, I'll walk you through how to properly prepare and export your multitrack for mixing in Cubase. Let's dive in. Open your project in Cubase and save a new version of your project. Go to File, Save As, add for mixing at the end of the file name and create a new version of the project. This will ensure you keep your original file intact. Name your tracks clearly. Proper track naming helps the mixing engineer easily navigate your project. Use clear and descriptive names like kick, lead vocal, guitar 1. Avoid such names as audio 01 or track 05. Before proceeding, ensure the vocals are properly tuned and the instruments are time-aligned. If you need help with this, we provide these services. If you feel your instruments or samples don't meet the described standards, please consult our manager. We also offer sample replacement and instrument re-recording services. Now let's return to the project export. If you have multiple tracks for the same instrument or vocal part, combine them into one consolidated track. For lead vocals, keep them separated by song sections: lead verse, lead chorus, lead bridge. Turn off non-essential effects, EQ, compression, and reverb, unless they're essential to your sound. If you've designed a specific effect that defines the track or have an amp simulation on your guitars, duplicate the track. Label one version as track name dry for the track without effects and label the other as track name wet for the track with effects. Check your master fader to ensure your project isn't clipping. Select all tracks by clicking the top track first, then holding down the Shift key and clicking the bottom track. Press play and check the master output. You can find it in the right side of the main mixer. Adjust the faders holding Option plus Shift on macOS or Alt plus Shift on PC until the master peaks around -6 dB. This gives the mixing engineer plenty of headroom to work with. Now it's time to export your multitrack files. First, set the export region. Locate the last sound in your project. Holding Command on macOS or Ctrl on PC, click on the ruler area with the bar numbers above the timeline at the end of the track. Then go to File, Export, Audio Mixdown. In the Channel section selection, switch to the Multiple tab and check all the tracks you want to export, or simply push Audio Channels box to select all tracks. In the Path menu of the File Location selection, press the triangle and select Choose. Navigate to your desired folder, create a new one, and name it after your project, including the tempo in the folder name. Configure export settings. Set file type to WAV, set the sample rate to 44.1 kHz or 48 kHz and the bit depth to 24. Press the Export Audio button and wait for the export process to complete. Before sending, verify everything is correct. Create a new project and import your exported files. Press play to ensure all tracks are present and aligned correctly. If everything sounds good, you're ready to send it off. Place your multitrack folder in a zip file and upload it to Major Mixing when you place your order. Thanks for watching. See you next time.